not defending Jaron. I'm saying he's not lying. I don't like what he's saying, but he's not lying.
You're not coming back at him. You're not retaliating and getting into an argument with them over it.
One thing I will agree with him is that flat earthers are fucking nasty and stupid.
Hey, Dave Weiss, did you just say those guys saw a circling sun in Antarctica?
They claim to have.
Hey, I'm sorry to tell you, but it's impossible to have a 24-hour sun in Antarctica.
I agree. I think they faked it.
Well, then why are you uncertain?
I think they faked the sun in the sky, and those guys filmed it.
So they were in Antarctica filming a fake sun in the sky?
That's my opinion, yes.
How do you know they went to Antarctica? It's off limits. There's an Antarctic treaty.
Well,
People don't just go there.
I don't think it was fake. I actually believe they went to Antarctica. They were in Union Glacier Camp. They saw the 24-hour sun.
I agree with almost everything Dave says, except I believe it was actually true. I believe what they ended up seeing was exactly what the flat Earth model we would expect to see.
There's no proof that they're in Antarctica.
Where did all the ice come from?
I don't know. Where's the proof? Where's the receipt?
The ice is the receipt.
I feel like you got racist tendencies. That's the way I feel about you. I'm not going to recommend nobody to listen.
That's your problem, not my problem.
Whatever. Keep on lying. Keep on. Go
Dave, yeah, you kind of dug yourself in a hole, man. I ain't even.
Dave. Oh, God. Dave. Oh, Dave.